Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Redis Cloud to AWS Lambda step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lambda service from the Services menu. Click on the Create Function button to start a new function. Choose the Author from Scratch option. Enter a name for your Lambda function. Select the appropriate runtime for your function, such as Node.js or Python. Scroll down to the Permissions section. Choose or create a new execution role that grants your Lambda function access to necessary resources. Once your function is created, you will be directed to the function's configuration page. Now, head to the Redis Cloud interface and log into your account. Navigate to your Redis instance dashboard. Locate the connection details, including the host, port, and password. Return to your Lambda function in the AWS console. Scroll to the Environment Variables section. Add new key value pairs for your Redis connection details. For the key, use Redis_host and set the value to your Redis host. For the key, use Redis_port and set the value to your Redis port. For the key, use Redis_password and set the value to your Redis password. Next, scroll down to the function code section. Install a Redis client library appropriate for your chosen runtime. If using Node.js, you can include the Redis package by adding it to your package.json file. If using Python, you can use Redis.py and specify it in your requirements.txt. Deploy your Lambda function. In the function handler code, retrieve the environment variables for Redis. Using the Redis client library, establish a connection to your Redis instance using those variables. Write a simple test function to set and get a value from Redis. Test your function directly in the AWS Lambda console. Review the logs in Amazon CloudWatch for any errors or connection issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.